What's up guys, I'm Zane and today I'm going to show you how to fix Monopoly Go Airplane Mode no internet connection problem. Sometimes when you play Monopoly, you may get a message that says that there is no internet connection. As you can see now, I have this message right here when I try to open the airplane mode, so now I cannot continue playing. So I'm gonna click on retry, but here as you can see, we still have the issue just because I opened the airplane mode. Now to fix this issue, the first thing you should do is to get out of the game. After getting out of the game, turn off the airplane mode, then turn on the Wi-Fi. Now you have to go to the App Store and download a VPN. So I'm gonna type here in the search bar VPN, then search for it, and here as you can see you will find a lot of choices of VPN, but I recommend using this one right here, VPN Super Unlimited Proxy. Click on it, then click on install, then wait till it finishes. Now after installing, open the application, then click on accept and continue. Then here as you can see you have this option, proceed with ads and limitations. Click on it in order to use the free version. Now click on this button right here, connect, give it the permission, click on OK. And now here as you can see now I'm connected. Now go back, it says that I'm connected here. Now go open your Monopoly game, then try to open the airplane mode. Now the VPN is still working. Now you can play and see if the issue is fixed or not. As you can see right now I'm playing. The game is running with no issue. And that is it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and goodbye.